If company wants to grow, promoters they will play very important role. They will be knowing in and out of the company. When promoters are buying the stake, it means that they are very bullish about the stock. When promoters are increasing the stake, it means that they are very confident about the company. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about 6 stocks where promoters they are increasing the stakes. They are buying the stocks on a consistent pace. But it doesn't mean that we need to buy the stocks. Friends, this video is only for education purpose. Friends, you can stay till the end because you'll be learning a lot in this video. Let's get started. First stock in the list is which is HCL Technology. Currently stock is trading 1140, which is 15% discount from its lifetime high. Friends, if you look at the promoters holding, they have increased the stake 60.72%, 60.82%. If you look at the FIs, even they have also increased the stake 17.17%, 18.29%, 18.92%. If you look at the DIs, they have reduced the stake 16.52%, 15.85%, 15.28%. Friends, if you look at the valuation, currently stock is trading a P of 20, which looks very attractive. The second stock in the list is which is Deepak Nitrite. Currently stock is trading around 2000 rupees, which is 30% discount from its lifetime high. Friends, if you look at the promoters holding, they have increased the stake 45.71%, 49.13%. Friends, if you look at the FIs, they have reduced the stake. So 8.72%, 7.72%. If you look at the DIs, they have increased the stake 10%, 10.72%, 12%, 13.75%, 15.06%. Friends, if you look at the valuation, currently stock is trading a P of 30, which looks very attractive. The next stock in the list is which is Relaxo Footwear. Currently stock is trading 870, which is 35% discount from its lifetime high. Friends, if you look at the promoters holding, they have increased the stake 70.78%, 71%, 71.25%. If you look at the DIs, they have reduced the stake 3.11%, 2.99%, 2.28%. But if you look at the DIs, they have increased the stake 7.07%, 7.43%, 7.64%, 7.96%. Friends, next stock in the list is which is UPL. So currently stock is trading 680, which is 20% discount from its lifetime high. Friends, if you look at the promoters holding, so currently promoters, they have increased the stake 28.96%, 30.74%, 32.34%. But if you look at the FIs, even they are also increased 35.57%, 37.18%, 38.69%. But if you look at the DIs, they have reduced the stake 17.19%, 16.19%, 14.39%. Friends, if you look at the valuation, currently stock is trading a P of 15, which looks very attractive. The next stock in the list is IOLCP. Currently promoters, they have increased the stake 43.69%, 43.69%, 48.19%. The next stock in the list is which is IDFC First Bank. They have promoters, they have increased the stake 36.47%, 36.38%, 39.99%. Friends, this video is only for education purpose. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. Friends, if you summarize the stock, the first one is HCL Technology, second one is Deepak Nitrite, Relaxo Footwear, UPL, IOLCP, IDFC First Bank. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with your community. Thank you so much.